Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussing nested try. Try catch block is a kind of mechanism to handle exception in Java. We are discussing nested try. Nested try is like a nested if else loop where we can put multiple try within each. That is, in first try we can put another try catch block and so on. So this is a simple example. Here we have defined a class A. This is a main method. This is a try block. In try block I have defined an array. Then next is in this try block I have again written another try block, and here I am trying to define a variable. We have defined one variable integer type of b, and we are assigning value of a of 3 by a of 1. Then next is another catch block is here. This catch block we are catching this exception. If there is an exception in this try block, that will be caught in this catch block, and we are displaying the exception. So you can see here this catch block is related to this try block, and again out of that we have defined a of 10 equal to 50. That is, we are trying to access the location which is not available, so it will generate array index out of bound exception. And here is end of this try block. Now you can see here for this try block there is a outer catch block. This is a catch block which will catch the array index out of bounds exception, and it will display the exception. And the expected output for this program will be java.lang arithmetic exception. This exception will be there because the third element of this array is 30, and the first element, that is 40, a of 3, that is 0 1 2 3. A of 3 will be 40 here, and a of 1 will be 0 here. So 40 divided by 0 is not possible, so it is an exception which will be caught in this, and it will display the message, that is java.lang.arithmetic exception. And when this statement is there, for this statement this catch block will be there, and it will display java.lang array index out of bounds exception. So this is about nested try, that is try within try. This is the concept behind nested try. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel to see more videos on this topic.